Mihnea, you can get it. Come on. Get it for Zach. Yeah.
Good evening. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Where's the baby?
Baby is still here?
Where? Oh, there's no baby yet.
No.
When is the baby coming?
Maybe Sunday.
This Sunday?
Yeah.
How many more days? 3 more days?
Yeah. It's 40 weeks plus 4 days. He's taking time.
Okay.
He's not in a hurry.
So, we're at the mall. What are we having here?
Again, dumpling. Dim sums.
Hong Kong food?
Yes, again, same thing.
Why?
An ice cream because I'm craving.
Okay. Then let's go and have Hong Kong food.
Oh, yes.
Is it difficult to walk?
Not really.
No?
I have to walk a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, gotta exercise more.
All right.
Okay.
What are we ordering?
Same.
Same food.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I'll get something new today. Bine, am ajuns. So the food is here.
Yes.
What did we order?
Dim sum. This is all that I'm eating.
All for you?
Dim sum noodles,
And
beef
and
noodles.
okay, now explain the drink.
This is a
That's
special
something
drink.
new.
I'm drinking in preparation for my birth. This is
For your birth.
This is Coca-Cola with ice and salted lime. This is a special Hong Kong drink.
What does it taste like?
It's okay. It's nice. It's salty.
All right.
Okay, let's see.
Are you full?
Stuffed, yes.
Oh,
No space.
my baby.
There is no room.
Where to now?
Dairy Queen.
Oh no. Someone wants ice cream.
And I want this chocolate.
Here's your ice cream. It's chocolate chip ice cream. Not happy with the ice cream? Why?
I wanted pure chocolate ice cream.
You got chocolate chip ice cream, not chocolate ice cream. It's okay. Is the baby moving? Okay. Sad life. Am crezut că schimb bani, monede de 1 yuan pentru motocicletă și am schimbat bani pentru joc. Deci am 20 de yuan cu care n-am ce face acum, că asta nu este monedă de 1. Deci vreau să iau o vacă de aici, hai să vedem.
Ok. All right. Go, Mihnea. Go, get it, get it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Get it. No, you got it.
It fell.
Oh gosh, no, let's go to the other one.
Okay.
You could have tried it. No, that's too big. You can't get that.
I don't know how to get it. I have to cut this.
No, you can't get it. Let's go to another station. Come. Okay, maybe the other side. I saw something cute on the other side.
Okay.
Smaller one. Oh, so what did you, don't you have to clasp it and
No, you
pick
just
it?
press once and that's it.
No.
Yes, it grabs it.
And you're supposed to lift it.
It lifts by itself. How about
Okay.
this duck here?
You.
You?
Which one? I think those are easier to clasp, right? Or what do you
No.
think? Those are more difficult?
No, it's not because it's too soft.
Ah, okay. How about this?
I'll try.
Come, Donald Duck.
Failed again.
You have to maneuver it in a way that... Wait, be very strategic. Be strategic. Yeah, pick it. Oh!
It fits by itself. I can't control it anymore. I can only control the position.
Oh, please, Mihnea, get me one.
The other one.
Come on.
Okay, there's a unicorn here.
I think so. This you can get.
Do you want the
I want a unicorn. Look. She got it. Look.
Yes,
Oh, wow. Yay.
You got the pig.
Wow.
Oh.
Very good. Wow. I want the unicorn.
You want the unicorn?
Wow. Very good.
Very nice. So beautiful.
Wow. Very nice. Look how she. Let's watch how she does it.
You just press once and that's it.
Look at the way she did.
You can't do anything anymore.
Oh.
What?
Wow.
Oh, it fell.
Wow. Okay. Be very strategic. You know how she picked it, right? You're very close. Yeah, go. Pick slowly. No. Aim it right. Yeah. Pick it. Yeah, throw it.
No, I fell. Again. This is it.
Yeah, it's close. You are mine.
Okay. You saw it.
I saw it. Mihnea, you can get it. Come on. Get it for Zach. Yeah.
Yes. No, come on.
It's close. Please get it for me. This is mine. Careful. Jeez.
Yes. No.
Oh no! Please get it for me. You're so close.
Try again.
Come on. Be careful. Yeah, grab it, please. Oh no, why? Why? There must be a way to grab it. Mihnea, you have to grab it on the side here. Get the body, not the head. Oh. This is gonna give me contractions now. Come on, yeah, pick it up, please.
I have it.
Oh, please. Grab it by the body, not the head. It's like birthing. Please.
Come on, unicorn.
Grab it by the body, Mihnea. Body. Body. Grab it. Pick.
Yes. No.
I wanna cry. Please, that's mine. Oh Lord, please. I want this unicorn so bad.
No.
Oh no, why? Why doesn't it? You have to grab it by the body, honey. Bring it a little bit front.
Okay, last
one.
That's it.
Mihnea, be very strategic, okay? Don't be clumsy.
This is the last.
Please be very strategic. Grab it by the body, not by the head. Oh. Grab it by the body, honey.
All right, last.
Okay, by the body. Bring it in the middle and do it, okay? You want to see how this thing works.
My unicorn.
That's mine, please.
Yes!
Yeah.
No, come on.
Why? You're mine.
You're not getting it.
Why did it go there?
I don't know. All right. I think it's time to go home.
Really?
Finish your ice cream, it's melting.
Why couldn't it pick it?
I don't know. Bye bye.